Dear students, we want to send an invitation letter to our friends. How can we create a common letter with different addresses? We want to learn about it. Mail merge. Mail merge is a useful tool which enables the user to create documents like letter, emails, fax that are essential same but contain unique elements such as recipient's name, address, contact number, city and state. It helps the user to create a document for multiple recipients more easily by just selecting recipient names and choosing the document. Main document. It is the document which has the common data that needs to be sent to multiple recipients. Data source. This like an address book that contains recipients' details in tabular form that is to be merged with the main document. Merge field. It is the data item which is to be merged with the document from a data source. For example, name, address, contact number, etc. Merge document. This is the final document which is obtained after merging of field from data source with the main document. Using mail merge. Create a document and type the content or open the existing document which contains the content which is to be sent to different people. Create a data source in MS Excel or MS Access and save it with proper file name. Now follow this step. First step, in MS Word document choose Mailing tab and click on Start Mail Merge button. A list appears. Next, click on Step by Step Mail Merge wizard option. Next, this will bring Mail Merge pane at the right side of the Word document window. Now, you can specify type of document you want to create. For example, select Letters option and click Next Starting Document at the bottom of the pane. Next, click on Use the current document option in Select Starting Document section. Next, click on Next Select Recipient at the bottom of the dialog box. Now, select data source. In this step, you can choose different options to import recipient list. For example, select Use an existing list. Next, click on Browse to import desired recipient list. The Select Data Source dialog box appears. Next, select the data source here and click on Open button. Now, the Mail Merge Recipient dialog box appears. It shows the field to be merged and data in the field. Click on OK button. Inserting merge fields. Put the cursor on the main document where you want to merge a field. On Mailing tab, on the ribbon in Write and Insert Field section, click on Insert Merge Field button. A list of fields from selected data source open. Click on Require field to be merged. Next, repeat this process till you merge all the fields. Now, view merged data. Click on Preview Result button in Preview Results section on Mailing tab. To view next or previous data, click on Next Record or Previous Record button. Next, on the Mailing tab in Finish section, click on Finish and Merge button and select Edit Individual Document option. And the Merge to Print dialog box appears. Click on OK button. This section will merge all the data in a single document. Now, you can print the data as per your requirement. Print the letter. Step. Now, you can take the printouts of your letter with the merged data. Click on File tab. Next, click on Print. Select the required print option and click on Print button.